The truck market has undergone dramatic changes in recent years. For many buyers, it takes an entirely new kind of truck to get the job done. A truck like Ford's new Ranger. Ranger has proven to be an ideal alternative for previous full-size owners because it provides significantly better fuel economy, yet requires minimal sacrifices in payload capacity and big truck features. Over half of all compact buyers are interested exclusively in a recreation and personal use truck. Here, Ranger's trim dimensions and fuel efficiency are more manageable than a full-size truck, while its high level of standard features and wide range of individual options provide more truck for the money than any import or the more car-like GM S trucks. Either way, Ranger is not a compromise truck. It provides all the rugged, tough truck capabilities only Ford provides in both 4x2 and 4x4 models, with a wide choice of payload ratings in either 6 or 7 foot long cargo boxes or in chassis cab models for special aftermarket installations. Ranger is built around a computer-designed ladder-type steel truck frame, similar to the frame on Ford's standard-size trucks. It provides a rigid, welded support for the body and box, and it's completely coated to protect against corrosion. Two-wheel drive Ranger models feature Ford's exclusive twin I-beam independent front suspension, a patented design which has become the industry standard for riding comfort because it permits each front wheel to move independently over rough surfaces. It also features adjustable camber, plus lubed for life ball joints, which never require maintenance. This contributes to low cost of ownership. In back, Ranger features single-stage leaf springs on standard 4x2 models and two-stage leaf springs on higher payload models. Variable leaf springs provide a soft ride when the cargo box is empty, but stiffen for better load handling with heavy cargoes. Front disc brakes are standard to help resist fade, especially on wet road surfaces. And the standard-styled 14x5-inch wheels and P-metric radial tires provide low rolling resistance. The steering system is designed for responsiveness and control. And like the suspension system, Ranger's steering linkage never requires lubrication during the normal life of the truck. Ranger's standard 15.2-gallon fuel tank on short wheelbase models and optional 17-gallon tank on long bed trucks are larger than most other compact trucks on the market, foreign or domestic. And there's an optional 13-gallon auxiliary tank available, which can nearly double cruising range. Ranger also has one of the widest choices of powertrain components on the compact truck market. These include two 4-cylinder gas engines, a gas V6, and a 2.2-liter diesel. A wide choice of popular transmissions is also offered, including a 4-speed manual, a 5-speed overdrive, and an automatic. Ranger had to pass all the functional durability standards set for full-size Ford trucks. And Ranger surrounds all these important functional components with a clean aerodynamic body that does more than simply look good. The body is computer designed with all welded double steel walls. Double walls contribute to sound insulation and prevent shifting cargo from causing dents, which show on the outside. Ranger is also protected by corrosion protection features like cathodic E-coat primer bath, galvanized and pre-coated steels, aluminized wax and special sealers, plastic fender liners, and other features which permit a 3-year corrosion perforation warranty on Ranger at no additional charge. The double wall box construction is complemented by a double wall tailgate, which features a flush pull-type handle for quick one-hand operation. The tailgate is supported by plastic-covered steel cables, which can be quickly detached for easy removal of the tailgate. And the cables are less likely to bind than the straps found on some imports. Ranger's pickup box features standard stake pockets, which make aftermarket installations easier, and standard rope tie holes to help secure bulky or oversized loads. Ranger's pickup box was designed for no-nonsense utility and cargo handling convenience. That can be just as important in recreational pursuits as it is in tough working situations. The long wheelbase Ranger 4x2 has payloads ranging from 1,220 pounds to 1,770 pounds with the high payload option. That's higher than the standard and optional S10 payload levels. and nearly the same standard payload as a full-size Chevy C10. And here's an advantage no other compact truck offers: built-in pockets for 2x6 supports, which permit Ranger to carry up to 500 pounds of 4x8-foot sheets that lie flat in the box with the tailgate down. Despite its tough truck features and impressive working capability, Ranger is also a well-equipped, well-appointed truck. Even the standard model provides a host of special comfort, convenience, and trim features that add up to real value for the money. That's especially important to personal use buyers who often use their truck like a family car. Ranger offers standard features like bright windshield moldings, styled steel wheels, left and right-hand black mirrors, a chrome grille, and halogen headlamps. Most of these features cost more on other compact competitors. Ranger has the roomiest front seating compartment of any compact pickup, providing full 3-passenger room and comfort inside. The standard bench seat also features a folding back for convenient storage. Other standard features include stalk controls for the wipers and washers, high beam and turn signals, a convenient inside hood release, flow-through ventilation, plus a glove box and a storage bin. Even a dome light and coat hook are standard. Of course, to better meet individual tastes, there are optional trim levels available as well, 3 of them, including the sporty XLS. There are also 3 Ranger Explorer packages available, which permit buyers to obtain significant savings on some of the more popular Ranger options. All these models, packages, and options are discussed in another segment of this program. And for buyers who plan to spend a lot of time in the backcountry, there's a rugged Ranger 4x4 model available. It includes all the standard features and trim details of 4x2 models, plus a host of special components designed for tough off-road running. To supply power to the front wheels, Ranger features standard manual locking free-running front hubs designed for easy serviceability. When it's time to pull with all 4 wheels, the hubs may be locked with a simple turn of the wrist. Or if buyers prefer, optional automatic locking hubs are also available, which feature internal clutches that automatically engage whenever the transfer case is shifted into a 4-wheel drive mode. This provides the same convenience as S10's full-time 4-wheel drive system. But it also provides the proven advantages of a rugged, conventional 2-speed part-time transfer case, similar to the design most popular with full-size 4x4 buyers. Ranger's transfer case was designed for extremely easy fingertip shifting and quiet running, with 2 4-wheel drive modes. 4 High provides the advantages of 4-wheel drive traction and stability under difficult conditions when the vehicle is to be operated at normal running speeds. But when the going really gets tough, in deep mud or snow or very hilly terrain, 4 Low multiplies engine torque even more for maximum pulling power. It's separated from the other gears by a unique offset neutral design, which prevents overshifting into this position by accident. On the highway, 2 High once again provides power only to the rear wheels for greater efficiency. Another important Ranger 4x4 feature is the twin traction beam independent front suspension, a Ford exclusive which provides front wheel driving power while permitting each wheel to move up or down independently on its own I-beam axle and coil spring suspension. This helps keep each wheel in contact with the terrain for good traction, while providing good riding comfort for the driver and passengers. The suspension also features an integral skid plate to help protect vital components. No other compact 4x4 offers all these important advantages. In fact, neither do competitive full-size pickups. Also standard are power front disc brakes and larger 15-inch wheels with radial tires. And because Ranger 4x4s are built Ford tough, they are suitable for special heavy-duty applications like snow plowing when equipped with suitable options. No other compact 4x4 offers a snowplow package. This kind of rugged usage is not recommended with many compact competitors. Yet even personal use and recreational buyers can appreciate this built-in capability and tough truck quality. because it means Ranger can play just as hard as it works. Ranger 1984, a full range of models built for the new generation of truck buyers in the 80s by Ford, where quality is job one.
Because of its high level of features, the standard Ranger model may be ideal for many value-conscious compact truck buyers, but the compact market includes buyers with an extremely wide range of needs, from purely recreational to personal use to commercial applications. To satisfy these specialized requirements, Ranger also offers 3 optional trim levels, 3 Explorer packages, a chassis cab model, and a long list of individual options. This kind of flexibility lets buyers build a unique truck for their own individual use, and that's an advantage no other compact truck can match. Ranger XL provides an inexpensive way to upgrade the appearance of Ranger's standard features. Step through the following XL trim features at your own speed by pressing step forward on your controller. Ranger XLT is the top-of-the-line model with more luxurious appointments. Step through the following XLT trim features by pressing step forward on your controller and see for yourself. Ranger XLS is a styling departure from other Ranger trim levels. It has a personality all its own, with a more youthful, sporty flair. Step through these special features yourself by pressing step forward on your controller. In addition to these trim levels, Ranger is available as a long wheelbase chassis cab model without a pickup box for buyers who wish to convert it into a special purpose vehicle. There are also many individual Ranger functional options which can make specialized jobs or personal use more convenient. Some, like power steering and power brakes, are frequently used to help make heavy loads easier to handle. Others, such as the super engine cooling package and heavy-duty battery, help ensure more efficient operation of the powertrain under severe service, like trailering. Air conditioning and the instrument gauge package are very popular options for many buyers, as are a tilt steering wheel and convenient speed control. There's a 13-gallon auxiliary fuel tank available for Ranger, which can nearly double cruising range, and a traction lock rear axle which ensures equal engine power to both rear wheels, even under slippery road conditions. There are also heavy-duty front and rear shocks available, plus optional cast aluminum and white sports steel wheels. And for Ranger 4x4 buyers, there are many special functional options available to help get there and back. These include convenient automatic locking front hubs, all-terrain radial tires, and skid plates which protect the transfer case and standard and optional fuel tank from off-road hazards. For buyers who expect to mount heavy front-end loads, such as a winch and brush guards, Ranger is available with a unique heavy-duty front suspension package that features airbag coil front springs which can be adjusted to provide the best combination of load handling and riding comfort. The airbags are part of the optional snowplow package, which also includes heavy-duty shocks and alternator. This package is unique on the compact truck market. Ranger also offers a camper package and an optional trailering package that's not usually found on import trucks. Both these packages help prevent the overloading of the truck's suspension and electrical systems. These are just the beginning of Ranger's option story. Ranger's wide range of powertrain choices are discussed in another part of this program. But there are also many dress-up, comfort, and convenience options to choose from. Step through these at your own speed by pressing step forward on your controller. There are also 3 special Ranger Explorer packages in 1984 that can save money for the value-conscious buyer. Explorer Package A features many of the XL trim level components, plus unique seat trim and tape stripes. Explorer Package B adds these appearance features to components of the Ranger XLT trim level. Both are available with optional 2-tone paint, and both are available with Explorer Package C, which includes functional options like air conditioning and tinted glass, a tilt wheel and speed control, the convenience and light groups, an AM/FM radio, power steering and brakes, and a black rear step bumper. No other compact pickup on the market offers buyers this much choice for work or personal use, including Chevy's S10. But that's what buyers expect from Ranger. It is, after all, a Ford truck. And it's part of a lineup known for giving buyers what they want to meet their tough truck needs.
Because of Ranger's compact size and aerodynamic design, a 4-cylinder engine can provide all the performance most buyers will ever need, and a test drive will prove it. That's why standard 4x2 models feature a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, while Ranger 4x4s offer a 2.3-liter 4, which is optional on 2-wheel drive models. These are performance power plants made exclusively for rugged truck applications, tuned for maximum efficiency on the highway with overhead cams designed for exceptional low-end pulling torque. But many buyers will desire even more power, especially if they order a host of power accessories or plan to carry heavy payloads or pull trailers, or if they simply drive extensively over mountainous terrain. Now, Ranger has the ability to give these buyers more of what they're looking for with the optional 2.8-liter Ranger V6 truck engine, the most powerful V6 on the compact market. Like the 4-cylinder Ranger engines, the V6 is not simply an automotive derivative. Virtually every component from bearings to manifolds were designed specifically for truck use. But this engine also features electronic engine controls, or EEC4. This system uses special sensors in the engine compartment to continuously monitor operating conditions, weather, and other variables such as the driver's input at the accelerator. This data is then fed to a custom microprocessor, which can make over 1 million decisions a second to control fuel flow and ignition timing for optimal power and economy. The system can compensate for engine wear. It even includes special self-diagnostic circuits that tell service technicians if anything is not performing up to specification. It lets the engine operate at a level of efficiency and response many buyers have never experienced, adjusting variables of engine operation, which were not controllable before Ford's development of sophisticated electronic engine monitoring devices. Diesel engines have also become popular with compact pickup buyers in recent years because of their inherently greater fuel efficiency. And Ranger now offers an optional 2.2-liter 4-cylinder diesel on all 4x2 models, which provides the best mileage ratings in its class. When teamed with the optional 13-gallon fuel tank, the 2.2-liter diesel Ranger has an exceptional cruising range. But many diesel buyers look for more than just fuel economy when selecting a truck. Durability and low maintenance are other important considerations as well. The 2.2-liter diesel is a true truck diesel, incorporating many heavy-duty components designed to stand up to the higher compression forces associated with diesel power. Like other diesels, the 2.2-liter has no spark plugs or distributor, thus reducing regular scheduled maintenance. It includes big truck diesel features, like high-swirl pre-combustion chambers for clean burning. But it also has a bypass oil filter designed to reduce the oil change interval, a simple distribution fuel injection system, which is easy to service, an inline fuel heater, and quick heating glow plugs, which permits starts in just 3 seconds. The addition of the 2.2-liter diesel and 2.8-liter V6 engines gives Ranger a more comprehensive powertrain lineup because Ford recognizes the wide range of buyer needs when it comes to balancing fuel economy and performance. For the same reason, Ranger offers 3 transmissions, which have proven to be most popular with compact buyers. Ranger's standard 4-speed manual transmission has a low first gear for maximum transfer of power when starting up with heavy loads. Or buyers can select the optional 5-speed overdrive manual transmission. It provides the same low first gear as the 4-speed, but also features an overdrive 5th gear, which permits the engine to operate at lower revolutions for greater fuel economy on the highway. Both manual transmissions feature a self-adjusting hydraulic clutch linkage. Combined with lubed-for-life steering and front suspension joints, this adds up to reduced driveline maintenance over the life of the vehicle. And there's an automatic transmission available for buyers who want the added convenience of automatic shifting. Combine all these possibilities with optional powertrain equipment discussed elsewhere in this program, like the traction lock rear axle, heavy-duty air cleaner, or supercooling package, and you've got powertrain flexibility that can meet just about any need. When the development of Ranger began, extensive consumer surveys were used to determine what people wanted in a compact truck. Quality rated very high, and that's why Ranger incorporates over 100 innovations over previous truck designs for improved quality in design, in development, and in manufacturing techniques. When Ranger was nothing more than an idea, the determination was made that it would have to be an entirely new vehicle from the ground up to ensure maximum quality, riding comfort, load capacity, and efficiency. To ensure maximum driver comfort, Ranger was given a spacious cab interior and a full foam bench seat based on the design used in our full-size trucks and passenger cars. Ranger's flow-through ventilation and heater system is the result of extensive testing. Even the air conditioning system includes the same lightweight, quiet 6-cylinder compressor unit used in F-Series trucks. Twin I-beam is an industry exclusive for Ford, but to incorporate this outstanding suspension feature into Ranger, it was redesigned using state-of-the-art finite element computer analysis. The computer design was then translated into working models and refined still further before it was actually put to the test out on the road. And this is just one example. Using similar procedures, finite element analysis was utilized extensively in the design and analysis of all major components on Ranger. In fact, no truck has ever been created with this much computer-assisted design behind it. Then came 300,000 man-hours of structural testing and 1.5 million miles on the test track. Ranger had to pass the same severe durability testing procedures as Ford's tough F-Series trucks. Ranger also incorporates extensive corrosion protection as well. The entire truck body undergoes a cathodic E-coat bath at the factory. This process bonds primer to the body metal by electrostatic attraction and helps ensure all metal surfaces are protected against the elements. In addition, many important structural components and exterior panels are made with zinchrometal and galvanized pre-coated steels, which are more resistant to corrosion than regular steel. Extensive use of special sealers and aluminized wax helps keep moisture away from the inside of the body panels and other critical areas. Plastic shields and fender liners, which cannot rust, help protect exposed areas from stone pecking and corrosive road salts. All these features permit Ford to offer an unlimited mileage, 3-year corrosion perforation warranty on all Ranger models. Finally, to ensure manufacturing quality control, the assembly plant had to be completely overhauled, and special plant techniques were improved, such as automated welding, computer testing, and increased inspection. Perhaps the most important product quality improvement at the assembly plant involves the workers themselves. Our employee involvement program was initiated more than 18 months prior to the production of Ranger. The program involves system-by-system design reviews by assembly workers, line supervisors, plant managers, and design and engineering personnel. Even before Ranger production began, hundreds of employee quality and reliability proposals were incorporated into the program. The review process is still in effect to ensure that no new suggestions are overlooked in the future. Quality is a major Ranger product strength. It's designed to deliver honest, tough truck performance in the Ford truck tradition. Ranger is built to be best in class, and that's a benefit no other compact pickup on the market can match. Ford, where quality is job one.